welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we're going to discuss another set of topic in mathematics, which is all about the equation of a circle. Specifically, we're going to write the equation of the circle in standard form, whose center and length of the radius are given. So I have here examples to be shown in this video. 5 examples to be shown in this video. Okay, so we have here, write the equation of the circle in standard form, whose center and length of radius are given. So the restriction here is that we are going to write the equation of the circle in standard form. And we already know that the standard form of the circle takes the form of, so we have the standard form of the equation of the circle. So let me write it here. Standard form of the circle, or the equation of the circle, takes the form of x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equals to r squared, where this is the standard form of the equation of the circle, where h and k is the center, or h and k are the coordinates of the point on the center. So now let us have the given examples for number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. Since the problem requires us to write the equation of the circle in standard form, so we are going to write these examples into the standard form, which takes the form of x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equals to r squared. So this is the standard form of the equation of the circle. So this will be the format of the circle that we are going to follow, or we are going to write, okay, using this, the center and the radius, or following the given here. So the given are the center of the circle and the radius. So since the center is at 0, 0 or 4, the center is at 0, 0 and the radius at 4. So we already know or remember that every circle whose center is at the origin or at point 0, 0, it has an equation of the form x squared plus y squared is equals to r squared. But to make it sure, just simply substitute the given center of the circle and the radius to the standard form. So let us identify the center. So our h is 0, our k is 0, and our radius is 4. So substituting the values to our standard form of the circle, so let us substitute x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equals to r squared, so that we can write the equation of the circle given this point and the radius, okay, or given the center of the circle and the radius. So we have x, our h is 0, so just write x minus our h is 0, then square, plus our y minus our k is 0 squared, then our r is 4, so you will get 4 squared. Okay, so we just follow the standard form of the equation of the circle, which takes the form of this one. Okay, so since our hk, that is the center of the circle, then we can consider that 0 is our h and our k is also 0, and our radius is 4. So simplify this one. We have x minus 0, that is x then squared, plus y minus 0, that is y then squared, is equals to 4 squared, that is 16, or that is 4 times 4, that is 16. 4 squared, or equivalent to 4 times 4. 4 squared, or equivalent to 4 times 4, that is equals to 16. So we have here x to the power of 2, that is x squared, plus y to the power of 2, that is y squared, is equals to 16. So now we already fulfill or accomplish the problem which requires us to write the equation of the circle in standard form. So this is the standard form of the circle. Standard form of the circle. So the standard form of the equation of the circle given whose center is at 0, 0 and the radius is at 4. So this is already the standard form, and this is already the answer. So we have x squared plus y squared is equals to 16. Or always remember that in every circle whose center is at 0, 0 or at the origin, it has always an equation of the form x squared plus y squared then is equals to the given radius. So if the center is at 0, 0, then automatic that is x squared plus y squared. The equation of the circle in standard form, then it only differs in the given radius. Okay, so that is r squared. Next, for number 2, we have to rewrite this one, or we have to write this one into the standard form of the equation of the circle with the center negative 1, 2, and with the radius 6. So identify our h is negative 1 and our k is 2 and our radius is 6. So following the standard form of the equation, which takes the form of x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equals to r squared, just simply substitute the values of your h and k, which is the center, and for the radius also. So our h is equals to negative 1, so x minus negative 1. Let us use bracket to avoid confusion. Again, so we have x minus, since our h is negative 1, that is why x minus the value of our h, which is negative 1, so that is negative 1 squared, then plus y minus our k is 2, then that is y minus 2 squared is equals to our radius is 6, so that is why 6 squared, since r squared in the standard form. Then simplify further, so we have x minus negative 1, that is x plus 1 squared, negative times negative, that is positive, then copy 1, okay, plus our y minus 2 squared is equals to 6 times 6, or that is equivalent to 6 squared, that is 36. 6 squared, or equivalent to 6 times 6, that is 36. So this is now the standard form of the equation of the circle given the center, which is negative 1, 2, and whose radius is 6. Okay, so this is already the answer. So the answer, or the standard form of the equation given the center negative 1, 2, and with the radius 6 is x plus 1 squared plus y minus 2 squared is equals to 36. That's it. Very simple, just the process of substitution only can be applied. Okay, so let us move to number 3. So first, identify the radius, the center, the value for your hk, which is required in the standard form of the equation of the circle. So we have the h is 0, our k is negative 2, and our radius is 2. So just simply substitute that one to the standard form of the equation of the circle, which takes the form of x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equals to r squared, where our h and k is the center. Always remember that the values of h and k is the center of the circle. So we have here x minus our h is 0 squared plus our y minus k, our k is negative 2, then squared. Okay, let us use bracket to avoid confusion. Then is equals to our radius is 2, so just write that one 2 squared. Okay, x minus 0, that is x, then square, then plus y minus negative 2, that will become y plus 2, then squared, is equals to 2 squared, or that is 2 times 2, that is 4. So simplifying further, that is x squared, x to the power of 2, or x squared, plus y plus 2 squared is equals to 4. So this is now the standard form of the equation of the circle, whose center is at 0, negative 2, and with the length of the radius, which is 2. So this is already the standard form, and this is already the answer. Okay, so let us move to number 4. We use fractional number here. So again, identify the h and the k and also the radius. After that, substitute to the standard form of the equation, which takes the form of x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equals to r squared. After that, simply substitute the given values for the point in the center and also the radius. So our h is equals to negative 1/2. So be careful, just be careful with the sign. Okay, let us use bracket with this one. Okay, then squared. Again, our h is negative 1/2. That is why we replace h with negative 1/2. Then plus y minus, again, let us use bracket. Y minus, the value of our k is negative 3/4. So replace k with negative 3/4. Then squared is equals to our radius is 9. So that is 9 squared, following the format of the standard form of the equation of the circle. So let us simplify. So we have x minus negative 1/2, that is negative times negative, that is positive. So it will become x plus 1/2. Then square plus y minus negative 3/4. So negative times negative, that is positive. So it will become y plus 3/4. Then squared is equals to 9 squared, or that is equivalent to 9 times 9, that is equals to 81. So this is already the standard form of the equation of the circle whose center is at negative 1/2, negative 3/4, and with a radius of 9. So that's it. Okay, for the last example, let us have the example number 5, the last example for this video. We have negative 1/3, negative 1/5, and square root of 5. So again, identify the h and k, and then the radius. Then substitute that one to the standard form of the equation of the circle, which takes the form of x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equals to r squared. So our h is negative 1/3. So again, let us use bracket to avoid confusion. Then replace with negative 1/3. Then squared plus our y, the value of our k is negative 1/5. So minus 1/5. Just replace k with negative 1/5. Then squared. Then our radius is square root of 5. So square root of 5 squared. Okay. So simplify the given expression inside the bracket and parentheses. So you will get x minus 1, again x minus negative 1/3. So we will get x plus 1/3 squared. That is x minus, so negative times negative, that is positive, then copy 1/3. Then plus the same thing that we are going to do with y minus negative 1/5, that is y plus 1/5. Then square. Then after that, square root of 5 squared, that is 5. Why? Because square root of 5 times square root of 5, that is square root of 25. Then square root of 25, that is 5. Okay? So this is now the standard form of the equation of the circle whose center is at negative 1/3, negative 1/5, and with the radius of square root of 5. So that's all for this video. I hope you get something about, or you understand on how to write the equation of the circle in standard form whose center and length of radius are given. So I hope I explained it under my capacity to explain it, and you understand something from my explanation. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. God bless everyone.